Hello, this is duntov. So today I'm at the Mirage site. I'm across the street at the Venetian. So I got my camera so I could try to zoom in and see, you can just see a little better here. So I just got out of work. Right now it's about 11:45 a.m. and it is Friday, December 20th, 2024. So I think I was here Monday last week and we saw them putting in one of the rebar cages down into the big old hole they drill. But now today when I got here, first thing I noticed is they're starting to take the signs off the building. We can see here that you can see like the Mirage there, but that's just the dirt behind it. So they're taking that off. This is, of course, facing the strip. And then if we look at the other sign on this wing, we can see that they're starting to take off over here. So they're finally starting to unbrand the building. And then if we look, they have this giant crane here. This is new, wasn't here last week. This big yellow crane. You can see how they have it. They actually have the pad that it's sitting on down here. So big crane. I don't know if that is what they're using to take the litters down or not. From this angle it looks really tall, but it might be an optical illusion. I don't know if it's taller than the building or not. I just think it might be closer so it looks like it's taller. But as you can see, the letters are coming off. I don't really see much going on. There are a few people down there, but maybe they're on lunch break or it's Friday. I don't know what time their shifts are, but it's going quick. All right. Let me go on now. So when I was here last week, I was showing the atrium here. So there's still a lot of discussion about this atrium. So we can see how some of the glass on the top is gone. So I didn't notice it until it was downloaded that the glass doesn't appear like they took it out. It looks like some of it was like broken out. But when you look on the top, it's just hard to see on the viewfinder. But all right, so they had that, and then there was also some steel pieces that we were able to see that was cut. Again, I can't tell when I'm zooming in, but so some of the steel's cut, and then the glass was broken out. I'm gonna put a picture of the rendering that I keep seeing that pops up. And the rendering I see, it still has the atrium. I know a lot of people are saying that it's going. I don't know for sure, but all the renderings they keep showing, the guitar like butts up right against it. And I'm just wondering if they were gonna tear this out, why haven't they yet? So I'm gonna put the rendering right in here, and then we could check it out. And we'll just keep watching to see if it's staying or not. It is a beautiful day today. It's supposed to be almost 70 degrees for December 20th. That's even warm for us out here. I think it's supposed to be in the 50s normally by now. So beautiful weather. I don't know if it's going to stay all the way till Christmas holiday or not. I know they said there's a chance of some rain and stuff. So, but so far, beautiful December. All right, I'm going to look down into the area so we can see these. I think I've been calling them drill rigs. I don't know what they're officially called. These would have been drilling the big holes for the rebar cages. We got a couple of them on the site. And then when I was here last week, they were holding one of the cages up, and they were using this blue crane right here. So now when we look around the grounds of this area, I don't see any more of the rebar cages laying around. So I'm wondering if they have them all in place now. At least from here I don't notice any, and they had a lot of them that were laying around before. So, and then if we look down inside, we do have this big giant pillar in front of us, but there is someone down here working with this piece of equipment. And if we swing around even more, we could see down there they have some other stuff down there working, and some people. So, and then if you look, you can see all these. I don't know if this is just holding up like a retaining wall or if those are like posts in the ground. Just interesting. And then I'm trying to see if we could see any of those cages sticking up out of the ground, or if they make them all flush. That looks like a bunch of rebar right there. Alright, so I have saw, actually I just got reminded because the helicopter just flew over, but I think it's Maverick Helicopter. If you follow them on Instagram, they've been putting some flyover videos of the Mirage as well as like the Tropicana. So you get a higher up view from the helicopter they've been showing. So from that one I saw on this site the other day, they have torn out all the swimming pool area and dolphin habitat. So it does say they're redoing the whole swimming pool area. And I know the old Hard Rock Hotel here had a really big pool, and I remember they had some kind of TV show like showing everyone partying there all the time too. So I guess they're redoing all that, but you can see it from there. I do have people tell me that I could somehow see it from the Caesar's Palace, but I haven't found my way in there to find out. And you do have to pay to park there, so some of these places charge a lot, especially like today's a Friday, so I don't like to pay $25, $30 just to park the car for a little bit. So I still haven't tried to get in there, but one of these days I'll try to figure it out and see if I could get a view of that side area. Alright, so we got the gondoliers here today. When I was here last week early in the morning, they didn't have the gondolas going. Pretty cool here. Alright, I'm going to try to zoom in. We're going to try to look into the atrium area again. 'Cause I'm still not sold that it's getting tore out all the way. I'm just wondering if it was, like, what are they saving in here, or why aren't they just taking it all out now? I mean, all I see is a bunch of pipes and wires and like air duct vents and stuff, so I don't know, I'm just curious. Can't really see much else in there though. I mean, they do have it blocked off with the wood. The giant crane again. It's to me it looks like they got most of the rebar cages in the ground already. I guess we'll just wait and see like what in the next few weeks. I mean, I know the holidays are coming up. Not sure what kind of work schedule that they are going to have, but we'll see if they start moving stuff out and bringing in new equipment, because that giant crane is new. And if we look over here, I could actually see all the bits for the drill rigs. We can see a lot of the auger bits. Not sure what that big thing there is, but you got the auger bits there. I think that's what's on the end of it. Sometimes when I do see him pull it out, it must just give a clean cut, like clear the drill hole out. You can see all the different sizes, and it looks like they could fill them with something. Unless when it scrapes away, maybe it goes into that. Anyone that knows this equipment, leave us a comment, let us know, but it could be. So it has somewhere to go, it falls into that. Could be totally wrong, but that's a thought. We do have the trucks that are still coming by. You can see them over here. Let's see if we can see. All right, so he has, it looks like he's got his canopy on there, so they're taking dirt out, or they're taking something out of here. I didn't see, I'm assuming he came from back around the other side. We do have this loader working over here though. And then we could see some of this, you can see excavators on the side there. So that's on the side right by Caesar's Palace. So it's moving really quick. Alright, I guess that's all I got for today. I don't see any of the much of the crew working on the putting in the giant cages. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, Raiders1967, so you can get updates on the Mirage to the hard rock transformation, as well as the Tropicana demolition, which is about done, to the new Las Vegas A's Stadium. So thanks for watching, and I will talk with you guys next time.